Here's a certified 2016 Jeep Cherokee. Freedom and adventure await in the sophisticated and versatile Cherokee, and it comes with all the amenities you need. Automatic transmission, air conditioning, external memory control, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, active grille shutters, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Journey anywhere in a Jeep. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.